The Kefary dual cassette stove is a versatile and portable outdoor cooking appliance. It is designed for camping, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. It features 2 independent cassette burners, allowing you to cook multiple meals at the same time. Key features: dual cassette burners provides 2 independent burners for cooking multiple meals at the same time. Adjustable heat control lets you control the heat output of each burner. Flame out protection automatically shuts off the gas if the flame is extinguished. Portability: compact and lightweight design for easy transportation. Durable construction, built to withstand outdoor conditions and heavy use. Efficient fuel consumption, uses standard camping gas cartridges, which are readily available. Safety features, includes safety features like anti-slip feet and a foldable design. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Kefary dual cassette stove. Pros: versatility, portability, efficient fuel consumption, durable construction. Safety features. Cons: limited cooking space, wind sensitivity, fuel consumption. Overall, the Kefary dual cassette stove is a convenient and efficient choice for outdoor cooking. Its versatility, portability, and durability make it a popular choice among campers and hikers. But it's important to consider its limitations, like the smaller cooking surface and potential wind sensitivity, before making a buy. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.